ഹലോ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ആംഗിൾസ്, സബ് മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾ ആംഗിൾസിൻ്റെ ട്രിഗണോമെട്രിക് ഫങ്ഷൻസിൻ്റെ കുറേ ഫോമുലാസ് പഠിച്ചായിരുന്നു. ഈ ഫോമുല ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള പ്രോബ്ലംസാണ് ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ഫോമുലയെല്ലാം കാണാൻ പഠിച്ചാൽ മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് ഈ പ്രോബ്ലംസ് എല്ലാം ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റൂ. ഓക്കെ, today we solve some problems using the multiple and submultiple angle formula. First problem, if cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5 and x is in the second quadrant, find the values of sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x and tan x by 2. We know that the formula for sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Here cos x is a given quantity, but sin x is unknown. First find sin x. We know that sin squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. Therefore, sin squared x is equal to 1 minus cos squared x. Here cos x is equal to minus 4 by 5. Substitute minus 4 by 5 in this expression. Cos x is minus 4 by 5, minus 4 by 5 square. This is 16 by 25. Minus square is positive. Therefore, this is 16 by 25. Next, simplification, cross multiplication technique. 1 into 25. 25 minus 16 by 25. 25 minus 16 is 9. 9 by 25. This is sin squared x. Therefore, sin x is the square root of this equation. Sin x is equal to plus or minus square root of 9 by 25. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 25 is 5. Plus or minus 3 by 5. But x is in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sin x is positive. Therefore, sin x is plus 3 by 5. Therefore, we get the value of sin x. Therefore, sin x is known. Cos x is also known quantity. Find sin 2x. Last class we studied the multiple angle formula sin 2x. Sin 2x is 2 sin x cos x. Sin x is 3 by 5. Cos x is minus 4 by 5. 6 into minus 4 minus 24 by 25. Therefore, sin 2x is minus 24 by 25. Next, find the value of cos 2x. Formula for cos 2x is 2 cos squared x minus 1. Cos x is minus 4 by 5. Cos squared x is 16 by 25. Minus 4 squared is 16. 5 squared is 25. 2 into 16 by 25. Then cross multiplication. 2 into 16, 32. Minus 1 into 25, 25. By 25. is equal to 7 by 25. Therefore, cos 2x is 7 by 25. Next, find the value of tan 2x. Tan 2x is sin 2x divided by cos 2x. Sin 2x minus 24 by 25 divided by cos 2x 7 by 25. 25 got cancelled. Is equal to minus 24 by 7. Therefore, we find sin 2x, cos 2x and tan 2x. Then the last one is tan x by 2. What is the formula for tan x by 2? In the last class, we studied that formula. This is the formula for tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 is root of 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Then substitute the value of cos x. 1 minus cos x is minus 4 by 5 divided by 1 plus minus 4 by 5. Root of cross multiplication 5 minus minus plus 5 plus 4 by 5 divided by cross multiplication 5 plus minus is minus 4 by 5. 5 got cancelled. Root of 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 by 1 is equal to 3. Is tan x by 2. Okay. Next problem. Find the value of 2 tan 15 divided by 1 minus tan squared 15. This expression is of the form 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan squared theta. We know that 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan squared theta is tan 2 theta. Therefore, 2 tan 15 by 1 minus tan squared 15 is tan 2 into 15. Theta is 15. Therefore, tan 2 theta, tan 2 into 15. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Therefore, the answer is 1 by root 3. Another problem. If cos 2 theta is equal to minus 3 by 5, find the value of tan theta. We know that the formula for tan theta is root of 1 minus cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. This is the formula for tan theta. We already wrote the result. Substitute cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta is minus 3 by 5. One plus 3 by 5. Then cross multiplication 5 plus 3 by 5 divided by cross multiplication 5 minus 3 by 5. 5 got cancelled. Root of 5 plus 3 8 by 5 minus 3 2. Root 4 is equal to 2. Is the value of tan theta. Prove that 1 plus cos 2a divided by sin 2a is equal to cot a, and reduce the value of cot 15. That is, find the value of cot 15 using the formula cot a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by sin 2a. First, we must prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Take the left hand side. Formula for cos 2a is 2 cos squared a minus 1. Cos 2a formula 2 cos squared a minus 1 എന്നാണ്. Divided by sin 2a. Sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. 1 minus 1 got cancelled. 2 cos squared a by 2 sin a cos a. 2 got cancelled. 1 cos a got cancelled. Remaining cos a by sin a. ഇവിടെ 2 cancel ആയിപ്പോൾ cos squared a യിലെ ഒരു cos a താഴെ ഒരു cos a ഉണ്ട്, അത് വെട്ടിപ്പോവും. മേളിൽ cos a താഴെ sin a. cot a. Cos a by sin a is cot a. Then substitute a is equal to 15 degree. Cot 15 is equal to 1 plus cos 2 into 15. A is 15 degree by sin 2 into 15. 1 plus cos 30 divided by sin 30. 1 plus cos 30 is 1 plus root 3 by 2 divided by sin 30 1 by 2. Cross multiplication 1 into 2 plus here 1 by 1 1 into root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2. 2 got cancelled. Answer 2 plus root 3. Next problem, prove that tan a plus cot a is equal to 2 cosec 2a. Take the left hand side. Tan a is same as sin a by cos a. Plus cot a is same as cos a by sin a. Then cross multiplication. Sin a into sin a, sin squared a plus cos a into cos a, cos squared a by sin a cos a or cos a sin a. Sin squared a plus cos squared a is 1. Next, multiplying numerator and denominator by 2. Number 2 by 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a is sin 2a. One by sin is cosec. Therefore, 1 by sin 2a is cosec 2a. This is the right hand side. Next problem, prove that cosec 2a plus cot 2a is equal to cot a. Take the left hand side and simplify. Then show that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Cosec is same as 1 by sin. Therefore, cosec 2a is 1 by sin 2a. Cot 2a is cos 2a by sin 2a. Cosec 2a is 1 by sin 2a, cot 2a is cos 2a by sin 2a. Here the denominator is same, common denominator, or add the numerators. This is the first problem of today's class. 1 plus cos 2a by sin 2a is equal to cot a. Next problem, prove that cos raised to 4a minus sin raised to 4a is equal to cos 2a. Take the left hand side. Cos raised to 4 is same as cos squared a the whole square minus sin raised to 4a is same as sin squared a the whole square. This is of the form, this is a squared minus b squared. A squared minus b squared is a plus b into a minus b is equal to, here a is cos squared a plus b is sin squared a. This a plus b, so cos squared a plus sin squared a into a minus b. A is cos squared a minus b is sin squared a. Cos squared a plus sin squared a is 1 into cos squared a minus sin squared a is cos 2a. This is the right hand side. Here the problem is sin 3a by sin a plus cos 3a by cos a is equal to 4 cos 2a. In the left hand side, there are sin 3a and cos 3a. We know the formula for sin 3a and cos 3a. Substitute the formulas in the left hand side and simplify. Sin 3a is same as sin 3a is same as 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a divided by sin a plus cos 3a formula for cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a divided by cos a. In the numerator sin a is common. Here in the numerator sin a is common. Take sin a outside. Remaining 3 minus 1 sin a outside, remaining sin squared a minus 4 sin squared a divided by sin a. Sin a got cancelled. Plus take cos a outside. Here cos a is common in the numerator. Take that cos a outside. Here 1 cos a is outside, then the remaining is 4 cos squared minus 3 divided by cos a. Cos a will go. Remaining 3 minus 4 sin squared a plus 4 cos squared a minus 3. 3 minus 3 got cancelled. Here 4 common. 4 into cos squared a minus sin squared a. Cos squared a minus sin squared a is cos 2a. Is equal to 4 cos 2a. Next homework, sin 3a by sin a minus cos 3a by cos a is equal to 2. Substitute the value of sin 3a and cos 3a, then simplify, you get answer 2.